Hello and welcome. We all know that good hygiene is critical for preventing the spread of infectious diseases. Today, we are going to talk about the proper use of Western toilets to prevent the spreading of germs and protect you and your family. The bowl is the main part where waste is deposited. On top of the bowl, we have the seat, and there's a lid to cover this. Wash your hands before touching anything in the washroom to keep it clean. Make sure the seat and the seat cover is clean before you sit on it. You can lift it using the seat handle if needed. When using the toilet, make sure to sit comfortably on the seat. Do not sit with your feet on the seat. Sit like you sit on a chair, like this. After use, you can use this jet spray to clean yourself well. You need to press this handle for the water flow. Clean the shower head if it gets soiled and ensure to hang it back in its hook for the next use. If jet spray is not available in the washroom, please use the mug and bucket. Please do not wash your parts on the floor after urinal or defecation. Remember to flush the toilet afterward by using this flush handle. This is usually located on the front or side or on the top of the tank. The lid. You can close the lid when flushing to prevent splashing. The tank. Behind the bowl, we have the tank. This is where water is stored for flushing. It's essential to wait until the tank is fully refilled before flushing again. Be mindful, do not flush sanitary pads, plastic waste, solid waste, or any other non-degradable item in the bowl. These wastes block the flush and make it unusable for everyone, including you. Remember to wash your hands with soap after using the toilet. It is the only way to prevent cross-infection in toilets and hospitals. Thanks for joining us today and happy flushing. Stay clean, stay healthy.